Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. So, children, what do you do on holidays? Do you obey your parents if they ask you to do anything? Today, we are going to learn an interesting lesson which happened in a holiday. So, all of you take out your English textbook and turn to page number 18.
The name of the lesson is One Sunday.
It was Sunday. The boys played in the sun. Only Tom sat alone. Aunt Polly had told Tom to paint the fence. She gave him a bucket full of paint and a long brush. Tom took the bucket and brush and looked at the fence sadly. It was long and high. He picked up the brush and painted a small part of the fence. Now, children, it was Sunday. Children, on Sunday, what do you usually do? Play, right? But only Tom sat alone. And you know why? Because his aunt asked him to paint the fence. Do you know fence? It's a barrier between two areas of land. What is the spelling of fence? F-E-N-C-E. And what is the name of Tom's aunt? Polly. So Aunt Polly set him to paint the fence. So what did the Tom do? He picked up the brush and bucket and started painting. See, Tom was very sad looking at the fence. Why? Because the fence was too long and high. Even then he picked up the brush and painted a small part of the fence. Now let's see what happened next. Then he said to himself, I must think of a way to get out of this. As Tom thought this, he saw Ben Rogers, one of his friends, come. Ben ran and jumped with an apple in his hand. So as he was painting, he was thinking about to get out of this work. So while he was thinking, he saw one of his friends. So what's the name of that friend? Ben. So while he was thinking that, Ben came. And something was there in his hand. Do you know what is that? Yes, an apple. And he was jumping and coming, right? Let's see what happened next. See the next paragraph. Tom was a clever boy. He thought of an idea. He picked up the brush and started his work again. Ben looked at Tom in surprise. He asked, Tom, what are you doing? Tom did not answer. He pretended to be busy. Ben spoke again. I'm going for a swim, but you can't join me. You are working. Tom answered angrily. Working? Painting the fence is so much fun. I don't want to go anywhere. Ben really thought painting the fence was fun. He said, Tom, please let me paint the fence. See, children, our Tom is very clever, right? So by seeing Ben coming, he started to paint again. So Ben came near him and asked, Tom, what are you doing? So did the Tom answer? No, he pretended to be busy. What's the meaning of pretend? Act, right? What's the spelling of pretend? P-R-E-T-E-N-D. And Tom acted as if he is painting very sincerely. And he is enjoying the work. Ben spoke again. I am going for a swim, but you can't join me. You are working. So the friend who came, Ben said, see, I am going for a swim, but you can't join me, right? Because you are painting, you are working. So Tom answered angrily. What did the Tom say angrily? Working? Painting the fence is so much fun. I don't want to go anywhere. See, by hearing this, his friend Ben thought painting the fence is really fun. So Ben also wanted to paint the fence. So Ben asked to Tom, please let me paint the fence. So when Ben asked for that, what did the Tom say? No, Ben, I can't let you paint the fence. I love doing it. Okay, see, our Tom is very clever, right? We know the fact. Tom really did not want to do the work. He did not want to paint the fence. But he is acting, pretending, right? See, now let's see what happened next. See the next paragraph. Ben thought about the fun and said again, please Tom, I am your best friend. He saw Tom look at his apple. He said, Tom, take this apple as a gift. Now, can I paint the fence? Hey children, poor Ben, he really believed Tom. Huh? Ben thought that, it's really fun to paint the fence. See, Ben again asked Tom to give the brush to paint the fence. Please, Tom, see, he was pleading, right? And see, our Tom saw an apple in Ben's hand. So Ben saw this. And Ben said, see, I'll give you this apple. You take this apple as a gift. And you please let me paint the fence. See the next paragraph. Tom thought for some time and said, well, Ben, you are a friend. I'll give you this brush. Are you happy now? That's what our Tom wanted, right? See, Tom thought for some time. He was really acting. He said, okay, Ben, you are my friend. Okay, as you asked, I am giving you the brush. Okay, just paint the fence. Are you happy now? Who asked? Tom asked to Ben. See the next paragraph. Tom sat in the shade and ate the apple. Soon 2 boys walked by. They saw Ben at work. He looked happy. Now Tom sat in the shade and started to eat the apple. At that time, 2 boys came there and they saw Ben is happy. Ben is painting the fence and he looked very happy. Now let's see what will the 2 boys say. See the next paragraph. Now they also wanted to paint the fence. They asked Tom, can we paint the fence? Tom said, you see, painting the fence is so much fun. I am waiting for Ben to give me the brush. The boys told Tom they had some marbles and a kite. They wanted to give these things to Tom. Okay, now see, we have seen 2 boys came, right? By seeing Ben painting the fence, they also wanted to paint the fence. So they asked Tom. So what the Tom is doing now? He is sitting in the shade and eating the apple. He is resting, right? He is very clever. And so these 2 boys went to him and asked, see, we also want to paint the fence. It looks very fun. What did Tom answer? I am waiting for Ben to give me the brush. So Tom said he is waiting for Ben to give the brush. So the boy said, see, we have marbles and kite with us. And we will give you this. And in return, you let us paint the fence. See the next paragraph, children. Tom thought for a long time and asked Ben to give the brush to one of the boys. One by one, the boys painted the fence. Soon the fence was white and clean and Tom had an apple, some marbles and a kite. See how clever he is. Okay. See now Tom thought for some time and asked the Ben to give the brush to one of those boys. Okay. So one by one the boys painted the whole fence and the fence became very white and clean now. Okay. Now Tom is very happy. He did not do anything. Right. He is sitting in the shade and enjoying eating the apple, and he also got marbles and kite. So what are things that he got? An apple, some marbles and a kite. See the next paragraph. Aunt Polly came out of the house. She looked at the fence and said, well, the fence is white and clean. You are a good boy, Tom. You have worked hard. She gave Tom an apple as a reward. Tom was happy now. He ran to play with his friends. See children, now Aunt Polly came out from the house. See now when she looked at the fence, she was very happy. Why? Because the fence is very clean and white and clean now. And what she thought? She thought our Tom painted the whole fence. We know who did it, right? So as a gift, what did the aunt give to Tom? An apple again. So now Tom is very happy. So he ran to play with his friends. What's the meaning of reward? R-E-W-A-R-D. Reward. Gift. So children, I hope you love the story. A small activity for you. Read the lesson 3 times and learn the new words. Okay children, so go through the lesson. Learn well. Thank you.